Hello friends and students. Once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video we are going to learn the compound angle formulae. First we will see the proof of theorem cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. It is part 1. So we shall start the proof of the theorem. Consider a unit standard circle. Consider a unit standard circle. Unit standard circle means center at the origin and radius is 1. Let angle, measure of angle XOP, measure of angle XOQ and measure of angle XOR in standard position. The angle in standard position means its vertex at the origin and initial arc is along the x-axis. B alpha beta and alpha minus beta. Let the terminal arms OP, OQ and OR meet the unit circle in points B, C and D, and let the x-axis meets the unit circle in point A. Therefore, A is 1, 0 because the point A is on x-axis is y-coordinate 0 and A is at a distance of 1 from the 0 because it lies on the unit circle whose radius is 1. B is the angle made by the OP or OB is alpha. Therefore, B is cos alpha sin alpha. C is the terminal ray OC make an angle beta with the positive x-axis. So it is cos beta sin beta. And R is, now it is D. So D is cos alpha minus beta and sin alpha minus beta. Now, therefore, measure of angle QOP is equal to measure of angle XOP minus measure of angle XOQ, which is equal to alpha minus beta. Therefore, these two angles are same. Therefore, the length of AD and length of BC are equal. Therefore, length of AD is equal to length of BC. This is number 1. By distance formula, BC is equal to, we know the distance formula, if P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2, then the distance between the point PQ is equal to under root of x1 plus x1 minus x2 bracket square plus y1 minus y2 bracket square. Using this formula, so distance between point B and C is cos alpha minus cos beta bracket square plus sin alpha minus sin beta bracket square. Therefore, A minus B bracket square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Using this formula, we can find the square of this quantity. Cos square alpha minus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus cos square beta, the square of this bracket, plus sin square alpha minus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus sin square beta. Now we are taking the square term together. Cos square alpha, we take sin square alpha together plus cos square beta plus sin square beta together. We can take minus 2 common from these two. So here cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta bracket complete. We know the identity first. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Cos square beta plus sin square beta is also 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. This is number 2. Now by distance formula, AD is equal to the coordinate of A is 1 0 and coordinate of D is cos of alpha minus beta and sin alpha minus beta. So 1 minus cos alpha minus beta bracket square plus 0 minus sin alpha minus beta bracket square is equal to under root of 1 minus 2 times cos alpha minus beta plus cos square alpha minus beta. Here the square of this bracket is sin square alpha minus beta which is equal to under root of, now cos square alpha minus beta and sin square alpha minus beta is 1. So it is 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos of alpha minus beta. This is number 3rd. From equation number 1, that length of AD is equal to length of BC and BC is equal to under root of 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, and equation number 3, which is AD, is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos alpha minus beta. So comparing these two equations, BC is equal to AD, then we get under root is under root, 1 plus 1 that is 2 and minus 2. So this cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Therefore, cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Hence we proved the compound angle formula. Cos alpha minus beta is cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin. Hence the proof. Thanking you for watching my video.